Welcome to your SAP Business Technology Platform trial environment. Your personal playground to explore SAP BTP. This means a safe, temporary space where you can freely test and learn without affecting real systems. For example, try building a simple app that sends email notifications. This hands-on experience is the fastest way to understand BTP's capabilities. Completely free, no credit card required. This means you can fully explore SAP BTP's features without any charges or financial commitment. For example, you can build and test a simple app that tracks daily tasks without worrying about costs. It's the perfect risk-free way to learn and experiment with the platform. Perfect for learning and experimenting. This means you can freely explore SAP BTP without risk. For instance, try building a simple app that sends email notifications. Mistakes will not impact any live production systems. This trial environment is your dedicated space to build confidence and discover capabilities safely. Available for 30 days with option to extend. This means you get full access to explore SAP BTP for 1 month and you can request more time if needed. For example, if you are testing a new app prototype and need more development time, you can extend your trial. This flexibility ensures you can complete your learning and testing without pressure. Navigating the SAP Business Technology Platform Cockpit. The cockpit is your main control center. This means it is the central web-based interface where you access and manage all your SAP BTP services and applications in one place. For example, you can create a new development space, assign user permissions, and monitor resource usage from here. This single point of access simplifies your daily management tasks. Left menu shows different areas to explore. This is the main navigation panel where you access all core services and tools. For instance, you can click Sub-accounts to manage your project spaces, then switch to Services to enable new capabilities. This organized layout ensures you can efficiently find and manage everything you need in the cockpit. Top navigation helps you switch between services. This means the menu bar at the top of the cockpit lets you quickly jump between different tools and services, like moving between rooms in a building. For example, you can go from your Cloud Foundry space directly to the SAP HANA Cloud Administration area. This design keeps your workflow efficient and organized. Everything is organized in a simple, clear layout. This means the cockpit is designed so you can easily find what you need without confusion. For instance, all your applications are listed under the Services section, making them quick to locate. This straightforward design helps you work efficiently right from the start. Your first stop is the SAP BTP Service Marketplace. Click Services in the left menu. This takes you directly to the SAP BTP Service Marketplace, where all available services are listed. For instance, if you need to add a database, you'd go here to find and enable the SAP HANA Cloud service. This is your central hub for discovering and accessing every service you can use. See all available services in one place. This means you can browse and discover every SAP BTP service from a single catalog without searching multiple sources. For example, a developer needing a database can instantly find SAP HANA Cloud, then explore analytics or AI services nearby. This centralized access saves time and ensures you quickly find the right tools for your project. Each service has a brief description. This is a short text explaining what the service does, so you can quickly understand its purpose. For instance, the SAP HANA Cloud Service description might say it is a database for real-time analytics. This helps you decide if it fits your needs without reading lengthy documentation. Services are grouped by category for easy browsing. This means you can find what you need quickly, like shopping in a well-organized store. For instance, all database services are in one section, while analytics tools are in another. This logical arrangement helps you discover and select the right services efficiently without confusion. Browse available services through these simple steps. 1. Click Services from left navigation. This opens the services catalog where all available BTP services are listed. For example, when looking for database options, you'd click here to see services like SAP HANA Cloud. This simple action is your starting point for discovering and accessing all BTP capabilities. 2. Scroll through the service catalog. This means you will visually scan the list of available services in the BTP Cockpit. For example, you might scroll past databases, analytics tools, and integration services to find what you need. This simple navigation helps you discover all available solutions for your project quickly. 3. Click any service to see details. This means selecting a service name to open its information page, where you learn about its capabilities and setup. For instance, clicking SAP HANA Cloud shows its database features and pricing. This step helps you make informed decisions about which services to use in your projects. 4. Use search to find specific services quickly. This means typing keywords into the search bar to instantly filter the list, saving you time scrolling. For example, if you need machine learning capabilities, just type ML to see relevant services. This efficient approach helps you focus on what you need without distraction. Popular trial services to explore first. SAP HANA Cloud Database Service. It's a managed cloud database for storing and processing data at high speeds. For example, an e-commerce site uses it to instantly analyze customer purchases for real-time recommendations. This service is essential for building responsive, data-driven applications. SAP Build Apps create apps without coding. This means you can visually design and build fully functional applications without writing any code. For example, a retail store could create a custom inventory tracking app for employees to scan items and update stock levels instantly. This empowers teams to solve business needs quickly and efficiently. SAP Integration Suite connect different systems. This service lets different applications and data sources communicate seamlessly, even if they are from different vendors or platforms. For example, it can link your e-commerce website directly to your SAP inventory system for real-time stock updates. This ensures your business processes flow smoothly without manual intervention. SAP Workflow Management automate business processes. This service helps you model and run automated business workflows in the cloud. For instance, it can automatically route a new employee's onboarding documents for the required approvals. This ensures your critical processes are executed consistently and efficiently without manual intervention. Understanding service categories in SAP Business Technology Platform. Database and data management, store and manage data. This means SAP BTP provides services to safely keep your business information organized and accessible. For example, a retail company uses it to maintain product inventory records. Proper data handling ensures your applications run smoothly and decisions are based on accurate information. Application development, build custom applications. This means creating tailored software solutions that address specific business needs using SAP BTP tools and services. For instance, a company could build a custom mobile app for field technicians to report issues and access repair manuals in real time. This empowers businesses to develop unique applications that streamline their operations. Integration, connect different systems together. This means enabling different software applications to communicate and share data seamlessly. For example, it can link your on-premise SAP ERP system with a cloud-based Salesforce CRM to synchronize customer data automatically. This ensures your business processes flow smoothly across all your platforms. Analytics, create reports and dashboards. This means using SAP BTP tools to turn raw data into visual summaries, helping you spot trends and make decisions. For example, a retail manager can track daily sales performance across stores. This capability transforms complex data into actionable business insights. Checking your trial resources in SAP BTP. Click Home in the left menu. This takes you to the main dashboard to see all your available services and resources at a glance. For example, after creating a trial account, you would click Home to verify your entitlements are active. This simple step ensures you can start building solutions immediately. See your global account overview. This means viewing your SAP BTP account's main dashboard, which summarizes all your available services and resources. For instance, if you were managing a trial for a small app, you'd check this page to see your remaining cloud credits. Always start here to understand your current capacity and avoid unexpected shortages. Check available resources and usage. This means viewing what's included in your trial and how much you have consumed. For instance, if your trial includes 1 GB of memory, you can check how much is still free for new applications. Regularly monitoring this helps you avoid unexpected limits while building solutions. Monitor your remaining trial period. This means regularly checking how much time is left before your SAP BTP trial account expires. For instance, just like you'd track days left on a free streaming subscription to avoid interruption. Staying aware of this timeline ensures you can plan your learning and testing activities effectively without unexpected disruptions. Important trial environment limitations to note. Limited computing resources available. This means your trial account has a small, fixed capacity for processing power and memory. For example, if you build an app, it might run slowly or stop if too many people try to use it at once. Therefore, you cannot run production workloads in this environment. Some advanced features may be restricted. This means the trial environment does not include all premium capabilities available in paid subscriptions. For example, you might find data encryption options limited compared to full versions. Remember, These restrictions help keep the trial accessible while showcasing core platform functionality. Data is automatically deleted after trial ends. This means all your stored information gets permanently removed once your trial period expires. For example, if you tested an employee database, all records would vanish after 30 days. Always back up your trial data before the deadline to prevent irreversible loss. Designed for learning, not production use. This means the trial is a temporary, safe space to explore features without real business risks. For example, you can test building a sample app, but it could reset without notice. Always remember, this environment supports your education rather than operational needs. Step by step, creating your first service instance. 1. Click Services and choose a service. This means you are selecting the specific BTP capability you want to use from the catalog. For instance, if you need a database, you'd choose SAP HANA Cloud. This simple action is your starting point for provisioning any service in BTP. 2. Click Create or Subscribe. This action initiates the provisioning process for the service you have selected, making it ready for use in your applications. For instance, if you need a database, clicking Create sets up your dedicated instance. This simple step brings the service to life in your account. 3. Follow the simple setup steps. This means you will complete a short guided form to configure your service, much like filling out an online order form with basic details. For example, when provisioning a database, you just name it and select a plan. Each step is straightforward and clearly labeled to ensure you can proceed with confidence. 4. Your service will be ready in minutes. This means SAP BTP automates setup, so you do not wait long. For example, creating a database service is done quickly, not taking hours. This rapid provisioning lets you start developing your application almost immediately after requesting the service. Accessing support when you need assistance. Click Help icon in top right corner. This icon gives you instant access to SAP's help documentation and support. For example, if you are unsure how to create a project, clicking it opens guides right within your screen. Always use this first for quick, contextual answers without leaving your current task. Access tutorials and documentation. This means using SAP's official guides and step-by-step learning materials to understand how to use different services. For example, if you are learning about the SAP HANA Cloud service, you can follow a tutorial to create your first database. These resources are essential for building your skills and solving problems independently. Find answers to common questions. This means using official SAP resources to quickly solve typical issues. For example, if you are unsure how to deploy an app, you can search the SAP community for step-by-step guides. Leveraging these resources will save you significant time and effort in your projects. Get support for technical issues. This means accessing official help channels to resolve problems you encounter while using SAP BTP. For instance, if you cannot deploy an application, you would open a support ticket with SAP. Utilizing this support ensures your technical challenges are addressed efficiently. Your exploration mission practice time. Browse 3 different service categories. This means exploring distinct groups of services on SAP BTP. For example, You could look at database services, then analytics services, and finally integration services. This hands-on practice helps you understand the platform's diverse capabilities and how they can be combined to build solutions. Start your exploration now to see the variety available. Create one simple service instance. This means provisioning a ready-to-use SAP BTP service, like setting up a database. For example, create an instance of the SAP HANA Cloud Service to store your application's data. With this step, you have a foundational resource ready for your solutions. Check your resource usage dashboard. This shows your current consumption of BTP services like memory and storage, similar to checking a car's fuel gauge. For example, you might see your development environment is using 70% of its memory allocation. Monitoring this helps avoid unexpected service interruptions. Find the help documentation for one service. This means locating official SAP guides for any BTP offering. For example, if using the SAP HANA Cloud Database, search the SAP Help portal for its specific documentation. This ensures you can independently solve problems and master any service. You are ready to explore. You now know how to navigate your trial environment. This means you can confidently move between different services and applications within your SAP BTP account. For instance, you can easily access your development tools from the main launchpad to start building an application. This foundational skill empowers all your future exploration and development work on the platform. You can find and explore available services. This means you can browse all the tools SAP BTP offers to build and run your applications. For instance, you might discover a database service to store your customer data securely. This exploration is your first step to building powerful solutions on the platform. You understand trial limitations. This means trial accounts have restricted resources and features compared to paid subscriptions. For example, you might run out of memory and be unable to launch new applications. Always test within these boundaries to ensure a smooth learning experience. Remember, experiment and have fun learning. This means try things out freely. It's okay to make mistakes while exploring SAP BTP. For instance, create a trial account and build a simple app. Errors are part of the process. Embrace this hands-on approach, as it makes learning engaging and effective.